everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I'm here to bring you guys the coupon inserts that we will be getting this Sunday, July 12th. It looks like we'll be getting 2 inserts. Now, please keep in mind, if most of you guys watch this, not everybody gets the same coupons, not everybody gets the same kind of inserts. Some people get different stuff that's not on here. But as you guys coupon more and more, you'll kind of pay attention to what you'll get and what you will not get. I know some stuff that I will not get that I do mention in this video because this is how, you know, the coupon community works. I wish they were all the same, everybody got the same equal coupons, but they don't do that. And I think if they did, things would be so much better, but that's just my opinion. So this website is SundayCouponInserts.com, so I'm just going to share with you guys a preview. Here is the Retail Me Not. We got all products. We do have $1 Burger King restaurant coupons. I've never seen those in my inserts. Centrum Vitamins, $2, $4. Cetaphil, $2, $6 off of 2. Garnier Fructis, we got $2. And then we also have $4 off of 2. The Garnier Whole Blends, 4 off of 2. Like, I know for sure I will not get any of the Garnier coupons or the Whole Blends. This is what my inserts does. We got Lamisil, Love products, $1.50. Love and Beauty, $4 off any 2. Parodontics, Persil, we're getting $2. I love Persil, but I never get those coupons. Poland Springs, $1.50. I don't have Poland water. We have something. I think we have Ice Mountain is what we get. Pro Enamel, $1.50. Sensodyne, Signature Farms, $1. Signature. This is a Shaw's or store coupon. Okay, so I don't have a Shaw's in my area. Snuggle, we got $1 off. Starbucks, $2 off. Tums, $1 and $1.50 off. So that is what is in the Retail Me Not. I know I'll probably get like 1 or 2 of those coupons. That's how lame my inserts are usually. Then we got Smart Source. We got Aki Berry Cleanse, $2. Band Deodorant, $1. $3 off of 2. Biore, $1.50. Colgate Toothpaste, 50 cents. CoverGirl. I feel like we get CoverGirl every other week. Corel, we got $1.50 off. Ensure, 5 off of 2. Jergens, $1.50. $2 off. Refresh. And Whole Fruit Box Bars, $1. So that is what's the inserts. Not the greatest inserts this week, you guys, which is fine with everything going on. You know, I wish we can probably find something a lot better deals with digitals, which I have been finding. But still want to give you guys a heads up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.